We're getting a breaking update where Navjot Singh Sidhu continues to politicize the farm laws despite the Prime Minister's assurance to repeal the laws. Now, Sidhu goes on to say, and I quote, that our real work has just begun. Centre's sinister plan to end the MSP, end the food security for the poor, end government procurement and NPDS will continue. Without the farm laws, it will now be hidden and more dangerous, unquote. Straight away going across to Amandeep. Amandeep, now it is looking more as an attempt to politicize everything, especially despite the Prime Minister's assurance that the people and the agitating farmers should go back to their respective homes. Navjot Singh Sidhu, on the other side, is now encouraging them to continue with their protest.
Actually, they are trying to encash this entire protest politically, and even everybody knows that agitating farmers are the biggest vote bank in Punjab ahead of 2022 elections. So they are not leaving any stone unturned to encash this movement. So that is the reason they are continuously raising voices, and even despite knowing that Prime Minister has already announced to repeal these laws, and even now they are raising some other issues. Navjot Singh Sidhu is the one who always try to attempt and inject a kind of politics into that. Initially, he says that every kind of support will be provided from the party, Congress party, to these protesters, even despite getting this announcement and information from the side of the farmers that they don't need any kind of support from any political party. Again, Navjot Singh Sidhu is stepping into this issue, though all 32 farm organizations from the side of Punjab made it very clear they don't need any kind of support from any political party, but despite knowing this, they wanted to encash this movement. So that is the reason. And even one single demand to repeal these laws has been already accepted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and decided to repeal these laws. So now they are provoking farmers to continue this protest to just oppose every kind of move of BJP so that they can oppose in 2022. So that is the reason. Navjot Singh Sidhu all of a sudden knows nothing about it but stepped up into this. Though Congress party from the very first day supporting these protesting farmers in Punjab and even outside Punjab. But now they are completely politicizing this issue to take the benefit in 2022 assembly elections. Yes, Amita.
Amandeep, thanks very much for the moment. So with the protesters not willing to relent, there is a meeting that is currently underway at the Singhu border of the farmer unions there, where the future course of action will be decided, because one thing that they have said clearly, that come what may, there are many other issues that they still need to be taken up with the government, and they will not be taking back their protest. So Navjot Singh Sidhu, on the other hand, who continues to politicize the farm laws despite the Prime Minister's assurance that the farm laws will be repealed, and he goes on to say that our real work has just begun. Centre's sinister plan to end MSP, end food security for the poor, end government procurement and NPDS will continue. Without the farm laws, it will now be hidden and more dangerous. So this is the manner where Navjot Singh Sidhu is politicizing the manner despite the Prime Minister's assurance that the farm laws will now be taken back by the end of this month.